Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I have a Madam Glam gel polish kit, and it has everything you need to get started with your gel manicure. So when you decide to get the kit, it comes with 3 gels of your choice, 1 9-watt pocket LED lamp, 10 gel remover wraps, a wooden cuticle pusher, and a double grit nail file. So here I have 4 gel polishes from the All Jokes Aside collection, which launched in April. And this one is called Krispy Kreme, Tangerine Dream, Amore Azul, and Blissfully Yours. They also have the names on the bottom, and if you store these upright, they have the colors on top, which is really nice. So I am going to go ahead and show you 4 of these, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch them. So in your starter kit, it does come with this pamphlet, and it shows you how to apply as well as removal. And then here are some VIP perks. And then this is the LED lamp it comes with. It does come with the cord. First color I'm going to show you is Krispy Kreme. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cure that in my lamp. Here is a second coat. And then each color I am going to top off with the top coat, just to show you how beautiful the shine is. So here is Krispy Kreme. The next color is Tangerine Dream. Okay, so I think this one's really cool. I never really tried like a jelly gel before, and I believe that's what this one is. But I think that's so cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and cure this in the lamp. So here is 2 coats. So there is Tangerine Dream. The next color is Blissfully Yours. So here is one coat. Here is Blissfully Yours. I did decide to do 3 coats and a top coat. And the last color is Amor Azul. So here is Amor Azul. So that concludes this video. So if you guys enjoyed these colors, be sure to check out this collection. I'll have a special link down for you in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.